Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand for your new Sceptre C34 Ultrawide gaming monitor. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get this thing set up. First thing we have to do is assemble the stand itself. It comes in two pieces. We have our metal neck piece and our base unit. So this is going to line up just like you see right here and go right in place. And we have to use two included screws to fasten both of these pieces together right here at the bottom. Take note, this will only fit one way. So it was designed very cleverly so you'll be able to properly attach it. Then you need to take the two screws located in the base screw bag and fasten them right through the bottom. All right, both screws are installed. You'll see that the unit's solid and now merged together as one piece. So we need to attach it to the back of our monitor. You'll see on the very back, we have a spot up here at the top to line everything up, and we'll drop the final screw in place. This is from the bag labeled neck screw. That'll go right down in here and fasten in place, connecting it to the panel. All right, so we have everything fastened in place. You'll see right there. The last thing we have to do is take this cover and gently line it up, press it in place, and there we go. Our monitor stand is now fully installed. Take a look at that. This is a very basic stand. You'll notice we don't have any height, swivel, rotation. The only thing we can do with the stand that comes with this monitor is tilt it backwards, forwards, or somewhere in between.